Man, he's what a bunch of deer does today, though. That's him. Son of a gun. Still slowly feeding, not moving too much.
Often people say to me, "Oh, you TV guys have it easy." All I can do is smile. Not many people know what goes into doing what I do. It's a lot of hard work on and off season. I spend countless hours training, preparing, and studying my sport. So I don't like leaving anything to chance. That's why I surround myself with the best companies and tools, like my Chevy Silverado. Whether I'm training for a hunt, scouting, or getting back into the deep country to chase the big boys, it's with me every step of the way. I'm John Stallone, professional hunter, and Chevy Silverado is my truck. And my home dealer is Van Chevrolet.
Slowly making their way towards you. They're coming right in.
think we got him. I think we got him. I just went over here. This is where we shot him. And I saw where he kicked, you know. And then I kind of stood up there and I could see blood for 30 yards. So it looks a good sign. It looks a little gutty. The blood looks a little gutty. Oh, look, right up there. That stripe. That's where you saw him run up.
Well, I found the arrow. He must have ran up here and then tumbled down the lane. That's a bloody arrow. That's about as bloody as it gets.
There he is. Yes, son. Yeah. Oh, that's awesome. That schwacker ate him up. That's the cactus right there that I shot him at. 60 yards. 60 yards. Oh. Yeah, this is NEMO. He's got one side that's bigger than the other. He's got that dawn. Look at this guy.
Dude, you just got a giant desert toad, dude.
Nice. Haha. Yeah. Look at him, he's all fighting, tore up, his ears are tore up. Oh, he's a fat bastard. Heavy. Holy crap, I can't even get my fingers around his bases. It's a great buck. Look at his Roman nose. See that? Oh man. We've been hunting hard in here. And honestly, I've been hunting a different buck. I've been hunting this buck we call Chocolate Daddy. He's super dark, like this guy. But he's about that much wider. And I just kept getting on him and not being able to make it happen. And Tanner spotted this guy up this morning. I was looking at a couple does on this side, and Tanner's like, hey, I got a buck. And I decided, hey, bird in the hand, let's go for him. He's a good looking buck. I've had some history with him. My cousin Paul missed him last year out of a ground blind. We had it set up on water and he came in with velvet. And that's kind of why we call him NEMO, because when he has velvet, this back side right here that's kind of webbed gets like a section of webbing in between. It makes him look all kind of funky on one side. But now that his velvet's off, you can see why. But it's kind of cool. It's bladed and it's webbed right there. It's kind of a cool looking feature. You don't really see it from that end. You kind of see it from this end. But I'm super happy, man. It's been a while since I shot a desert muley in Arizona. I've been chasing coos there for the last 4 years. Kind of on a quest to shoot a 100-inch buck, which I haven't been able to fill. I've been shooting a bunch of 90s and 80s, but no hundreds. So I said this archery season, I'm gonna give it a go and see if we can't get it done on a good desert buck. He's a nice buck. We're gonna set him up here and take some pictures and clean him up and get him out of here. Wow, he's a ruddy son of a gun. He stinks. He is stinky. Got piss all over him. Thank God I brought the CF Legend
Otherwise, this would have been a really bad task with the other pack.